Guys, so I finally listened to what you guys have been asking me for. I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial, but this isn't gonna be one of my crazy makeup tutorials. I'm trying to make this easy to do, easy to follow, and mostly geared towards the girls that just want to do their makeup, you know, on a night out, and they could just replay this because it's easy. So I'm gonna skip a couple steps. I'm gonna do my skin and everything, and then I will be right back so we can focus on eyes. Okay, so I went ahead and did my moisturizer, my little bit of glowing situation, the Becca Skin Love Glow Elixir. So I skipped that because if you don't use foundation, if you don't do any of that, then skip it. The one thing I will say is that I didn't set my face, just so that if I have to clean up around my eyes, I can go ahead and do that. So let's get started. I'm gonna leave my eyebrows as is because they look a little bit crazy anyways, so they might need a little bit of work. So the things that I'm gonna be using are, give me 1 second. Black eyeliner, cream eyeshadow. This one is the ColourTattoo from Maybelline. I can't see the name. Oh, chocolate suede. I don't know if you could see. There you go, chocolate suede. And this is the black eyeliner from MAC in Feline. That, and I'm gonna be using just a single brown eyeshadow. This is Swiss chocolate from MAC. Another alternative to everything that I just said is a Natasha Denona. It brings a little chocolate shade and a couple little shimmers. So the point of this is to make this as easy as possible. This is like for people that are in a rush, for my moms out there. This is literally what I do to myself when I have to do my face and then I have to leave. And then I just pop on lashes and I keep moving. So let me get my mirror. Oh, are you dancing? By the way, guys, my daughter's here being my assistant. Hi, Jayla.
Hi.
All right, so you just have to make sure that it's pointy or pointy-ish. And then you're just going to kind of make an eyeliner. It does not have to be perfect. And it can be as thick as you want. I usually start from kind of like the beginning of the eye towards the end. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Like I said, don't worry about it being perfect. It's not supposed to be, because my daughter's over here looking at me like, what are you doing? Because you're gonna get your brown eyeshadow and a little brush like this, usually like a flat top. This is the MAC, I don't know right now, $2.39 probably. This is a flat top brush, and it has like a little, so I'm gonna dip it in here. And then we're just gonna blend it out.
Why do you only have one?
Because all I needed was one, baby.
Okay.
So I'm sure most of you are gonna ask if I need to use primer for this. No, because typically the eyeliner is already gonna be, boom. The eyeliner is already gonna be waterproof. I mean, unless you're not using waterproof, then that's another story. Exactly, Jayla, another story. But yeah, just blend, blend, blend. And then I just go back in and make sure that it looks like, obviously it does not need to be this clean. You can probably do it messier if you need to. And then I just grab a little fluffy brush and then just blend it in and upwards. Make sure everything looks cohesive. And this is definitely one of those like old school tricks for makeup, but it works. All right, so there's that. And then for my little pick-me-up to make it look like I did a lot, I grab a cream eyeshadow. This is, like I said, chocolate suede. And this one is just like a brown kind of like shimmery color. I literally just popped that on top so it looks like I did some work, but I really didn't. And it's cream, so it's easier, I think, than an eyeshadow, because you don't have to be so precise. You just kind of like dab, dab, dab. Boom, smoky eye. Makeup artist who? Oh, I don't know. Side note, guys, earlier when I was trying to set up, I
Her coffee
dumped my
fell.
coffee everywhere. And it fell all over my daughter's toys, so she was very upset with me, and here we have evidence of mom life. All right, so same thing on the other eye. Chocolate suede, dab, dab, dab.
Please ignore the noises in the background. That is me setting up my toys for later.
Guys, loving. I literally just dabbed my way through this whole situation. Okay, so if I wanted to get crazy, I would keep going. Or if I wanted to get smokier, I would keep going, but I think I'm gonna just leave it. Oh wow, what is this, you guys? I didn't even see that little clump there. Yeah, so you can, horrible tutorial, this is why I don't do this. Okay.
What, me in the background doing stuff?
Yes, you in the background and me not knowing what to say. All right, so anyways, the point of what I'm trying to say is literally just keep blending, and you can go higher if you would like to make it a little bit smoky. I'm gonna pause for a second so I can fix my brows, and I'll be right back. I said I was gonna go do my brows, but what about the underneath my eyes? Okay, so we're doing the same thing underneath our eyes. So we are going to grab our black eyeliner, whatever it is. It doesn't need to be from MAC, which I can't find. And we're gonna get all up in our waterline. And this is obviously up to preference. As smoky or as non-smoky as you wanna make it. Perfect. Grabbing our brown shadow, whatever shadow it is that you have. Dipping it in. Me trying not to make ugly faces. Kind of making them meet at the ends. And just making sure that they meet, kind of like blending it up and out. Boom. Now we have a smoky eye. So right now I'm gonna go fix my brows, like I said earlier. This is one of those steps that you can either stop here or you can keep going. You can either leave it with mascara, night out, boom, you're good. Or you can pop on those lashes. So if you know me, I am just going to pop on lashes. I'm gonna pop on the lashes. All right, so I'll be right back.
Why are you recording me? When did you start recording me?
Okay guys, so this is my final look. That was three things that I used. So an eyeliner, and that could be whatever color eyeliner. You can do it with black eyeliner, brown eyeliner, it doesn't matter. So eyeliner, eyeshadow, and a cream eyeshadow, just to make it easier. And yeah, you can also do the same thing with regular eyeshadow. It doesn't have to be a cream, but to be honest with you, those ColourTattoo thingies are 24-hour or long wearing, and you don't have to use a primer. So with that being said, this could have been done with regular mascara. You didn't have to pop on lashes, but I feel like it does add the extra oomph that I needed. Complexion and everything else, that's also up to you guys, but I just wanted to give you something easy that you guys could do, and it's definitely achievable, I would say. Jayla, what do you think?
I think it's achievable because I do it myself.
She does not put on makeup, but yeah. I think my daughter could do it too.
I put it on my dolls. Right now she has on.
All right, let's say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.